Kasepti. So dates now bearing fruits, meaning it's summertime. So many dates here. As you can see here also Bambi. Say hi to them, Bambi. Bambi, Bambi. Okay. Here the dates and the tree. Dates. So this is dates tree with bearing fruits, and Bambi as well here, huh? Bambi. Hey Bambi, how are you, Bambi? So again, here the dates. Dates tree bearing fruits, meaning it's summertime. Summertime.